Alright, now let's talk about the next command in Unix or Linux based system, which is tar. So if I let's see the short page of tar. So it says in archiving utilities, so you can create archives using tar. So let's do it. So here I have some files. Let's remove the gz file. So I do and .txt.gz. So it is removed. So let's create archives. Here I have files hello.txt, hi directory, hi 2 and hi 3 and hi 4. So let's create tar archive from these two text files. So hi 3.txt and hi 4.txt file. I want to create tar archives. For that I will just type tar tag cf and then the file name, that the output file name. So let's say hi, just hi dot tar, and I want to add file. So hi3.txt and hi4.txt will be the source files. If I hit enter, nothing happened, and here we go. We can see the hi.tar file is right there. So right here we created a tar archive from the source file. So now let's extract these files. So for that all you need is just type tar tag xf and the file name. So here we have hi.tar, and I want to create the output from this. So if I hit enter and ls, the hi.tar is still there, and while we extended the hi, so I think we can use right angle and specify the output uh, directory name. So let's say I want to send output to hi and hit enter as a directory, specify the output. So let's say hi file.txt, this will be the output. Now if I type ls, here we have hi 5. Now if I get hi 5, and it has nothing. So we compressed two files and then we extracted one. So I think that's why it was giving problem. And do we have something inside this? So let's use cat hi3 and nothing, and hi4 abc. So there's star. Let's see the main page and creating archives from that different parameters. So here they are showing some information regarding that. You can see we use the tag cf and pass the file name and then the content, the source file that we want to create archive of. So here you can see create and file dot tar and verbose tag v. For it will show the messages that what's going on behind the scene. Tag c, we use that creating archive. Tag cf, firstly create archives, and we use tag xf for extracting or decompressing the archives, tar archives. And for version you can use tag version. So that is that. I think this is not pretty useful things. We have uh, three ways, commands or three tools to create archives. We have zip, we have gunzip, we have gzip, and we have tar. So we can use any of them to create archives or compressed zip archives.